Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. So, guys, I hope your written work must have been completed by now. Aryan, Tejas, Kavesh, and Pranjal.
I'm completed.
Yes,
Chandra
ma'am. Completed.
and Tejas. What about Kavesh and Pranjal? What's the status here?
Ma'am, long answers are left.
When will you be completing them?
Ma'am, I will complete it today.
Today?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's see. What about Pranjal? What's your status?
Ma'am, we have not done the long questions.
7, 8, 9 are left,
Ma'am,
right?
no, ma'am. Ma'am, we have done only 3 long answers.
Only first three long answers. So, shall we do the written work
Yes,
at
ma'am.
hold? And today, shall we start a new chapter in the online class?
Yes,
है ना?
ma'am.
So which chapter are we supposed to start now? Geography.
Ma'am, one is left in geography and one is left in history.
Tell me which one would you like to go with? History, geography.
History.
History. अच्छा. चलो, let's take others' opinion as well. They're about to join. History wala is good. It's nice chapter though. Political formations in the 18th century. That's the chapter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. Good afternoon, Yagyansh.
Ma'am, can we complete our work?
I think we should start with a new chapter.
But
You
I
can
think we
complete
should
it.
complete our work.
Yeah, I think we'll be able to finish it because ultimately, when you'll come to school, I have to give you time to complete your work then because I can bet that you people won't be completing your work and submitting it on the day I'll tell you.
No, ma'am, we all will complete till date.
Can you take the guarantee of all the students, Igyanshi?
Ma'am, Aryan is taking.
That's
Ma'am,
the
I'm not
thing.
taking it.
What, Chandra?
Ma'am, Aryan.
Ma'am, I think we can start new chapter. We can also give time.
Acha, both the things we should do.
Ma'am, like 50-50, anything with work.
Okay.
Ma'am, completing work is necessary.
Acha, Igyanshi, you just don't want to study. That's it. I think that in the online class, we get really good time to complete the syllabus. Why to waste this time? That's what my personal opinion is. है ना ध्रुति आप बताओ what do you feel like?
Yes, ma'am.
I am to saying that we should start a new chapter. We should have a good discussion about the chapter है ना in the class.
Sorry, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Rather than giving time for completing work. Chandra also agreed to that. Tejas also agreed on that. You
Yes,
also
ma'am.
agree?
I also agree.
Very good. Prisha, do you also agree on that?
Ma'am, I can't listen to your voice. Your voice is breaking.
I am
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Rishi. I'm saying, in my opinion, we should be starting a new chapter today. What do you guys say?
Ma'am, we
Your
should
voice
start
is
in.
not audible.
I'm not audible.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking a lot.
And can the rest of you hear well?
Yes, ma'am, your voice is
No, ma'am.
breaking. Ma'am, your
Igyanshi,
voice is.
is it breaking for sure? Is it breaking? It's not breaking. I know you people are making it up. Shut up.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, it's breaking. Ma'am, literally.
Yes, ma'am, it is breaking.
मैं थप्पड़ मार दूंगी ब्रदर बदतमीजी मत करो. It's not breaking.
मैम, it's breaking. अभी भी नहीं आ रही है.
बहुत जोर से मारे. अच्छा
Ma'am,
हाँ.
it is. It's breaking.
आए Igyanshi. पिटाई होगी ना बकवास.
Ma'am, we can hear your voice little, but it is breaking.
Rishita, can you hear me? Well,
Ma'am, your voice is really breaking.
Yes, ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Yeah, she stop laughing.
Yes, ma'am. It is. Ma'am, it is
हाँ
breaking.
नहीं आ
मैम
रहा
अब तो मान लीजिए सब कह रहे हैं।
है। तुम लोग जो इतनी चला के दिखा रहे हो ना, मुझे मुझे सब पता है।
मैम सच में ब्रेक हो गया है।
अभी तक तो ब्रेक नहीं हो रही थी आर्यन, अब एकदम से ब्रेक होने लगी। अभी
मैम
भी
अब
वो
ठीक हो गई।
कम्युनिकेटिंग
मैम हो रही थी ब्रेक।
अब सही हो गई।
मैम आप ठीक हो
बकवास
गई।
करो। अब ठीक होगी ना? चलो पढ़ाई करते हैं।
नो मैम अभी नहीं हुई।
अब सही हो गई।
शट अप। चलो, आई रिक्वेस्ट, अभी मैं आप सबको 5 नहीं 2 मिनट्स का टाइम दे रही हूँ to turn on your cameras. After that, the ones whose camera won't be on, I would be removing them from the meeting one by one, just like Anirudh sir do.
मैम क्यों?
Anirudh sir has told me that, ma'am, this technique works really well. Then you'll find everybody's faces gleaming. So I said, nah, I'll try that in my class too. I was
नहीं
not
मैम
trying to
ऐसा
get
मत
harsh
करिए।
and trouble you
Mama,
people.
camera is broken.
अभी I'll break your neck.
मैम से
ये ज्ञानशु कविश पिटाई इतनी हो जाएगी ना, किसी और का
अरे
फोन
मैम
लगेगा,
सच्ची।
उसी फोन से ज्वाइन करो मीटिंग। जिसका कैमरा ऑन नहीं होने वाला है, बस एक और मिनट है, 1:35 में मैं उन सबको मीटिंग से बाहर निकाल दूंगी। आरव भटनागर
मैम
हो,
मेरे पैर
चाहे
में चोट
आयुषी
लगी है मैम।
तोमर हो, चाहे केवल त्रिपाठी हो, पीहू अग्रवाल हो, मीशा गंगवार, जिनका कैमरा ऑन
मैम
नहीं
मेरे
वो इस
पैर में
क्लास
चोट
का
लगी है
पार्ट
मैम।
नहीं है। व्हाट, क्या बोल रहे?
मैम मेरे पैर में चोट लगी है मैम।
तो पैर में चोट से शक्ल का मतलब है? अगर मैंने दिमाग की बात की तो समझ में भी आता था। You have 30 seconds left. Ayushi Tomar, Arav Bhatnagar, Yagyanshi Patel, Aksa Sheikh, Prasang Gangwar, Prakhar Gupta, Rajesh Sharma within 30 seconds. If it's not on, then I'm really sorry. I have to remove you from the meeting. Yagyanshi, this is no answer. My camera is not working. सबका कैमरा वर्क नहीं करेगा फिर तो। प्रांजल रिमूव कर रही हूँ मैं आपको। 1 2 3 आई एम रिमूविंग यू। अच्छा गुड है।
मैम एक मिनट रीज्वाइन करके देखती हूँ, हो गया तो होगा,
हाँ
नहीं
हाँ,
होगा तो
रीजन
फिर
क्योंकि
पता
होगा
नहीं।
ऑन, तुम करो करो। Ayushi Tomar, I can have to remove you if you're not turning your camera on.
मैम
1
एक मिनट बस अभी और मैम।
हो रहा होगा ना। प्रसंग गंगवार, अरे वाह, नाम देखो, इतना बढ़िया टेक्निक है ये प्रसंग के लैपटॉप में, उसका नाम लो, उसका कैमरा हो जाता है। वाह यार, वेरी हाईटेक लैपटॉप प्रसंग, क्या बात है। दक्षता, आई काउंट टिल 5। 1 2, अरे दक्षता का भी कैमरा में सेम टेक्निक है प्रसंग वाली, सेम टेक यूज कर रहे हैं ये लोग। आराध्य शर्मा,
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
यस
can I set my camera?
है, हाँ प्लीज सेट योर कैमरा। केवल त्रिपाठी, तुम्हारे पैर में चोट तो लगी है, दिख रहा है मुझे, यहाँ पे लगी है। अक्सा शेख, लास्ट 4 seconds फॉर यू। 4 3 2। अक्सा शेख,
मैम घर पे लाइट ही नहीं है, कैंडल रख के पढ़ना पड़ेगा।
कोई बात नहीं, बाहर धूप निकली है, धूप में आके पढ़ लो।
अरे मैम अरे
चलो रेडी। नाउ आई थिंक, डू यू वांट टू स्टार्ट अ न्यू चैप्टर ऑफ हिस्ट्री ओनली और ऑफ ज्योग्राफी? विच वन यू वांट टू गो विद?
Geography.
Ma'am, geography.
Geography.
The ones who are in for history, please raise your hands. Only 3 4. Only 5 people are in for history. 6. The rest are saying for geography. So as majority says, we have to go with geography. Elisa still geography is winning. Samaj still it's winning. We have more votes for geography. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you send the long answers of history
Uh,
in the group?
Chandra, you have completed your work, right?
Got completed, but I don't have my phone. I have Tejas's work. Can I send that?
है
हाँ मैं बस तेजस का काम है मैं वो भेज दूँ.
हाँ, send that to me. I'll share that on the group. In the
Okay.
meanwhile, Prasang, could you share the first 3 pages of geography chapter with me?
Just a second. मैम कौन सा चैप्टर है?
Last chapter of geography.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, which chapter we have done last class?
Where? In his, we have done chapter number 7th of history last. Okay. Now we'll be starting with chapter 8th, it is 8th to 7th of geography. Human interactions or something it is, right? What's the name of the chapter? Yes, Hardik Bharadwaj, what are you trying to say?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, please send the work of chapter 7 in history.
I'm sharing it in the group in a while. Chandra is just sending me the work. I'll share it in the class group.
Ma'am I sent.
Okay, Chandra, I'm just checking it. Just a minute, guys. I have one more class. How many of you are present today? 4 of you. Tell this to Shubhamam that.
ये कैसा धोखा दे रहे हो आप मुझे?
You guys crazy or what? Yes, guys. Are we ready? Shall we start now?
हम काम आ रही.
Chandra, I have not got your text as of now.
Ma'am, different.
You have sent. So, network is doing some issue. Let me check again. Yeah, I've got it now. Thank you, Rudransh. चलिए. So the chapter which we have to start with is नेट ही नहीं चल पा रहा है मेरा. Human environment interactions. ठीक है? So now since in the yes,
Shohan is in office.
can you guys go? I'll tell you. But sit together only. Sit in the amphitheater only. ठीक है? Okay, bye. Okay. So kids, we have to start with the chapter human environment interactions, right? So till now, whatever we have studied in geography, we have tried to study about environment as a whole. Then we have studied the environment is made up of 3 hemispheres, right? 3 spheres. What do we call them?
Hydrosphere,
Please.
atmosphere, lithosphere, and biosphere.
Right, the three main of them are lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. And the zone where the three of them interact is known as biosphere. It's the zone where living beings survive. It's the zone where we live. प्रगन्य मित्तल, आला भटनागर, प्रसंग गंगवार, अक्सर शेख, समर्थ कुमार, लाए कैमरा ऑन नहीं हुआ है, आपको रिमूव कर दिया जाएगा. आयुष गंगवार एज वेल. ये ज्ञानशी तो वापस आ ही नहीं पाई है. आश्विक सिंह, ऋत्विक सिंह, राघव नेगी, अरुण पनवार, पता नहीं कौन है. प्लीज कीप योर कैमराज ऑन. It's a request, otherwise I would be bound to remove you from the meeting. Thank you, Raghav Negi. Okay, right, children. So after that, we have read that how closely our the life is connected to our surroundings. And when we speak of our surroundings, we mean our environment, right? Human beings live in harmony with their surroundings, right? Whether they're the living things or the living things, right? We are dependent on both of them, and we have to live in harmony with them. Otherwise, we know, right? When we disturb our surroundings, when we disturb the nature, when we disturb the environment, have we seen any repercussions of that? Yes or no? Tell me. Please tell me.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
What are they?
Yes, ma'am.
What are they that we have? What are the problems which we have suffered from? Can you please tell me some of them?
Global warming.
And
Floods.
Pollution.
floods, pollution, global warming, and many more. Drought,
Soil erosion.
soil erosion, etc., right? Though the modern technological developments enable human beings to overcome some of the limitations imposed on them by the environment, right? अब जैसे पहले क्या था, पहले हम लोग बहुत रफ टेरेन में नहीं जा सकते थे, हमारे को वहां पे जाने के लिए हमारे पास एक्सेसिबिलिटी नहीं थी. वी डिड नॉट हैव व्हाट डू वी कॉल ट्रांसपोर्टेशन फैसिलिटीज देयर. हम हर जगह पे फूड ग्रो नहीं कर पाते थे. वी कुड ग्रो फूड ओनली ऑन some parts of the world, only in some areas. We cannot communicate with each other. बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स ऐसी थी जो एनवायरमेंट ने हमें बाउंड कर रखा था, एनवायरमेंट ने बैरियर्स बना रखे थे. बट with the help of technology, we have overcome many of them. Yet, there is a relationship between humans and natural environment. In this chapter, we'll be learning some aspects about the typical regions of the world and the people living here. Typical, matlab some of the difficult terrains where people are living in, right? Which terrains you feel are the difficult to survive in? किन terrains में रहना
Ma'am, desert.
deserts and
Ma'am,
Mountains.
mountains, right? Deserts, whether it's hot or cold, it's not easy to live there. It's not easy to survive there because there, to live in harmony with nature, you have to do a lot of compromises. You have to do a lot of sacrifices as well, right? So when we speak of desert, what comes in your mind?
Ma'am, heat,
Heat,
sand dunes,
sand dunes,
ma'am, cactus.
sandstorms.
camels, sandstorms, huge spans of land covered with sand, right?
Ma'am,
And
lack of resources.
lack of resources. Okay, now when I speak of desert, which areas of the world comes to your mind?
Ma'am, Sahara Desert.
Sahara Desert,
Middle East.
Middle East,
Middle East,
Gulf.
Gulf. Thar Desert नहीं आता था?
हाँ मैम
Thar
Ma'am,
Desert,
Rajasthan.
वही Rajasthan. And if we talk about the cold deserts, do we have any cold?
मैम
Ladakh.
लद्दाख
Exactly, right? So let's speak about the largest desert of the world. That's the Sahara Desert, right? So we all know that it's located in which continent?
नॉर्थ अफ्रीका
Africa.
Africa, and it is situated in the northern part of Africa, right? It is the world's largest desert. दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा desert कौन सा है? Sahara Desert, right? And it extends from the Red Sea to the Atlantic Ocean. It stretches across the northern part of Africa, right? As you can see in the map given in your book. Can you spot Sahara Desert in that map? Can you spot Sahara Desert in the map of Africa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
So you can see that it extends from the Red Sea to the Atlantic Ocean. Now, if like generally, without even reading the chapter, without even having a discussion about it, if I ask you generally on a general basis, like what do you think? How's the temperature and climate of a desert or of Sahara Desert? How would it be?
Hot and dry.
It's very
Ma'am,
hot
dry.
and dry.
Dry.
Absolutely correct. Why is it dry? Why is it
Ma'am, the winds blowing there are like they do not have moisture.
exactly the winds blowing there are not having any moisture, and the winds do not have any moisture because there are no water sources there, right? That's why we call it a dry place. वहाँ पे ज़्यादा water sources ही नहीं है. Okay, so this region has very high temperature ranging between 30 degree to 35 degrees Celsius. The highest temperature ever recorded was 58 degrees Celsius at Azizia in the northern margin of the Sahara Desert. In this region, the rainfall is scanty and unreliable. यहाँ पे बारिश scanty मतलब very less. बहुत ही कम बारिश होती है, and it is unreliable मतलब ऐसा कोई फिक्स टाइम है ही नहीं कि चलो इस सीजन में बारिश होगी ही होगी. बारिश का जितनी चांसेस बारिश के होने के होते हैं उससे कई ज्यादा चांसेस बारिश के ना होने के होते हैं. देयर इज नो श्योरिटी, देयर इज नो फिक्स टाइम पीरियड कि हाँ इस टाइम में बारिश होनी होनी. जैसे हमारे सीजन है भाई, रेनी सीजन भी होता है हमारे कि भाई ड्यूरिंग द सीजन इट्स गोइंग टू रेन, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट इन द अफ्रीका, लाइक इन द सहारा डेजर्ट. ओके, now the rainfall here is scanty and unreliable, and the annual rainfall is around 25 centimeter only. सिर्फ कितनी रेनफॉल होती है यहाँ पे? 25 सेंटीमीटर एनुअली. हाउ डू वी मेजर रेनफॉल?
millimeter.
Barometer.
Which barrow? Wow, very nice.
Cause.
Rain God.
Cause.
Right, very good, Aryan.
God.
We measure rainfall with the help of an instrument called rain gauge. बैरोमीटर से क्या मेजर करते थे?
Air pressure.
Very
Air
good.
pressure.
Air pressure.
Air pressure, right? So to measure rainfall, we have a device. We have an instrument called rain gauge. It's very easy to make as well, right? And then they calculate the rainfall, and the annual rainfall of Sahara Desert is only 25 centimeter. If I talk about the land of the desert, like you people have told me, the land is covered with sand. You would find sand dunes there. You would find sandstorms there. Okay. Yes, Vyom, read it, please. व्योम को पता ही नहीं क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, कहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं. व्योम अपना बीच में मस्त.
Our life and various economic activities are closely
ये
related to
पढ़
the
चुके हैं बेटा. यू हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लैंड.
most parts of the region are covered by sand. Sand dunes are the most noticeable feature in this landscape. A sand dune is a hill or a mound of sand deposited by the wind in a
हैव
desert.
वी रेड अबाउट
Sa-
सैंड ड्यून्स इन एनी अदर चैप्टर? क्या किसी और चैप्टर में पढ़ा है सैंड ड्यून्स के बारे में?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In which chapter? In the
Then
chapter
landform.
of the earth.
Yes.
Sand dunes in
A
different
sand
places.
a
Perfect.
sand dune begins to build where there is an obstruction like a large rock or bush. A major part of the Sahara Desert consists of shifting sand dunes. Human life. Due to adverse climate conditions, population of most parts of the region is thin and sparse. Most
Like I
of the
told you,
people
right? So अगर ये मैं आपसे नहीं भी पूछूंगी तो भी आप मुझे आई थिंक बता सकते हो कि भाई द पॉपुलेशन देयर इज वेरी, कैसी होती है वहां पे पॉपुलेशन काफी ज्यादा स्पार्स. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्पार्स?
rare.
इट्स वेरी रेयर. बहुत कम लोग रह पाते हैं वहां पे, पॉपुलेशन कम मिलती है बिकॉज लिविंग देयर इज नॉट एट ऑल इजी. वहां पे रहना बिल्कुल भी आसान नहीं है. एंड मेनी ऑफ द पीपल फेल टू सर्वाइव देयर. दैट इज व्हाई यू फाइंड वेरी लेस पीपल लिविंग देयर. ये ज्ञानशी का काम पूरा है चैप्टर 7 का. तो उसे कौन सा काम करना था फिर? चंद्रा कहाँ गया प्रसन्न?
Most of the people of the region are nomads. Nomads move around the
Wait, wait, wait. Who
countryside.
are nomads?
People who move from one place to another.
People who do not stay at one place, the people who are always on move, keep on moving from one place to another. Do you remember we have also read about tribals in history? उनमें से कोई बहुत
Yes,
ही
ma'am.
इम्पोर्टेंट ट्राइबल के बारे में पढ़ा था. वो कौन सी ट्राइबल कम्युनिटी थी?
Banjara.
Ma'am, Gond.
Banjaras. And Banjaras are mostly from कहाँ से होते ज्यादातर?
Rajasthan desert.
They're mostly from Rajasthan. ठीक है. So like that he's telling us that most of the people there are on the go. मतलब वो travel ही करते रहते हैं. They are nomads. They do not stay at one place. Right? That's why they are known as nomads. बढ़िया.
Nomads move around the countryside, taking their homes with them or building new shelters each time they stop. Nomads do not plant crops, they own animals and move to find new grazing lands.
मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था
Bedouin
कि जो नोमैड्स होते हैं कोई खुद की क्रॉप्स ग्रो नहीं करते हैं. राइट? ये एनिमल्स को रेयर करते हैं और उनके साथ ही घूमते हैं. उन एनिमल्स के थ्रू सामान इधर से ट्रांसपोर्ट कराते हैं. राइट? एंड दैट्स हाउ दे अर्न. एंड दे आल्सो सेल एनिमल प्रोडक्ट्स.
Bedouins and Tuaregs are the best known
Like this,
nomadic
very
people.
important, right? जो तो बहुत ही important nomadic people हैं वहाँ के, they are Bedouins and Tuaregs, right? Some of the most important nomadic communities or tribal communities of the Sahara Desert are the Bedouins and Tuaregs.
They live in tents and herd camels. Due to the continuous loss of grazing lands and steady decline of the animal stock, these people are migrating towards cities.
मतलब
Many
पहले
of
लोग गाँव में ही
those
रहते थे. मतलब पहले लोग ऑन द गो रहते थे, ट्रैवल करते थे. बट अब क्या हो गया है? बिकॉज राइट कि भाई जो एनिमल ग्रेजिंग लैंड्स हैं वो कम होते जा रहे हैं. राइट? और एनिमल स्टॉक में ही अब बहुत डिक्लाइन आई है. मतलब पहले जितने एनिमल्स इजीली अवेलेबल थे उतने एनिमल्स भी नहीं मिल पाते हैं. दैट इज वाई रादर देन मूविंग अराउंड एज नो as these traders, है ना? So now they have stopped doing all this and they prefer to shift to the cities and find some stable work there. आगे पढ़ो. Read ahead, View.
Many of those nearer cities live in stone huts and herd goats and sheep. Some live in under large trees and hang their belongings in the branches. They move from one place to another. Camels are the only animals that carry their load.
ओके. मतलब आपको
These
बता रहे थे
people
कि उनमें सिर्फ कुछ ही ऐसे लोग थे. राइट? दोज हु यूज्ड टू लिव इन स्टोन हट्स. बट ज्यादातर लोग पेड़ के नीचे या कहीं भी जहाँ जगह मिल गई वहां पे रह लेते थे. बिकॉज दे डू नॉट हैव परमानेंट हाउसेस, नीदर डू दे हैव so much of money to invest in renting a house or sitting in one place or even setting up camps. So they prefer to sit or lie or stay under the tree or somewhat. They look for some kind of shelter where they have got and वहां पे वो अपना रहना शुरू कर देते थे. These people ट्रैवल एट नाइट. अभी लोग रात में ट्रैवल क्यों करते थे? दिन में ट्रैवल क्यों नहीं करते थे? बता सकते हैं कोई मुझे? Why didn't they travel during the day? Why did they travel at night only?
मैम क्योंकि दिन में गर्म होता है रेगिस्तान.
Exactly, because it's very difficult, right? to move around in Rajasthan during the day because the temperature is very, very high. That is why they prefer to do what? They prefer to move during the night and rest during the day. ठीक है, चलो आगे पढ़ो.
These people travel at night to avoid the scorching heat and the strong dusty winds of the day. In the Sahara Desert, settled life is found around oases. Excuse me. Oasis.
Can anyone tell me the meaning of
Oases are
oasis?
areas
Wait a minute, wait a minute. Can any one of you tell me the meaning of oasis? What's an oasis?
Ma'am, oasis are
Ma'am,
not
small.
in deserts.
One by one.
Ma'am, what happens in the desert?
Fertile areas
बहुत सारे बच्चे
near the
बोल-
desert.
एक साथ ऐसे में बोलिए. Kindly raise your hand and then speak. At what time does this lecture get over, beta?
Ma'am, 10 more minutes.
Okay, great. Then
Oases are areas in deserts with water at or near the earth's surface. Oasis land is fertile and is used to grow various types of crops. Nomads may visit an oasis to get water for
देखो
their
क्या होता है
animals.
बिल्कुल ही घने डेजर्ट में, मतलब इट्स एन एरिया फुल ऑफ सैंड एंड दिस एंड दैट. वहां पे आपको छोटे छोटे पॉन्ड टाइप्स मिलेंगे, राइट, जहाँ पे पानी होता है, उसके आसपास थोड़ी सी ग्रीनरी भी देखने को मिलती है. इनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? ओएसिस. व्हाट डू वी कॉल देम? अंडरलाइन कर लो, इंपॉर्टेंट है. व्हाट इज ओएसिस? समझ में आया? बताओ भाई, व्हाट इज एन ओएसिस? हु कैन टेल मी?
Yes.
Raise your hand to state, let me see who can tell you what's an oasis. Yes, क्या बोल रहे हो?
Now, small places of settlement near the source of water or at the source of water.
मैं पूरा न्यू वर्ड से देख के बता दिया.
No, ma'am. मैं न्यू वर्ड्स को अलग लिखा रहा हूँ.
चलो, good. Then I think his answer is absolutely fine. Who would like to read next? Okay, Prisha, read.
Most of the people of the Oasis region live in tents. Only few live in houses. The houses of the region are simple and built to give protection against the heat during the day, the cold at night, and and dust at all times. The people wear loose flowing clothes which protect from the direct heat of the sun and keep them cool. Their food consists of milk, millets, and dates. The people raise crops of millets, barley, onions, dates, etc. Some of the regions, like Egypt, grow all types of crops. This is possible due to the Nile River. The farmers of the Nile Valley are known as the Fila. The average size of the farm is small. The land of Nile Valley is intensively used. The main source of livelihood of the people is trade and agriculture. They know spinning and weaving and make blankets, tents, and rugs. They sell or barter these goods in the markets in the desert oasis and buy grains, dates, and other products. Life in Ladakh.
Okay, wait here.
Ladakh.
Wait here. Okay, now see, read about the people of Sahara Desert. कि भाई they, because it's very hot, it's very difficult to travel during the day in Sahara Desert. That is why people prefer to travel at night, right? And in Sahara Desert, settled life is found only around oasis. अगर आपको लोग settled life जीते हुए हमारी तुम्हारी तरह देखेंगे तो सिर्फ oasis के पास ही देख पाएंगे, right? Oasis are areas in deserts with water at or near the earth's surface. The land near oasis is fertile because of the availability of water, and that land is used to grow variety of crops. right? The nomads visit on oases to get water for their animals, right? And as the main markets are around the oasis, the nomads buy and sell their goods also in these markets only. So oasis has their own value and importance. ज्यादातर लोग जो ओएसिस रीजन के होते थे वो टेंट में ही रहते थे. सिर्फ कुछ ही लोग थे वहां पे ऐसे जो कि हाउसेस में रहते थे, राइट, to give protection against the heat during the day, the cold at night, and sun during the dust at all times. इन सबसे खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए they used to prefer to go and live in the temples. The people wear loose flowing fabrics, right? Flowing clothes which protect them from the heat. जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा दुबई वगैरह में लोग अबाया टाइप का कुछ पहनते हैं ना, शेड्स, लॉन्ग लॉन्ग फ्लोई फ्लोई कपड़े होते हैं जिसमें उन्हें गर्मी कम लग पाए. Their food consists of milk, millets and dates. The people raise crops of millets, barley, oceans, onions, etc. after this. एंड इसमें से कुछ रीजन्स ऐसे होते हैं इजिप्ट जैसे, दे ग्रो ऑल टाइम्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स, राइट. कुछ रीजन्स यहाँ पे ऐसे मिलेंगे जहाँ पे हर टाइप के क्रॉप ग्रो कर सकते हो. ये पॉसिबल हो पाया ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द नाइल रिवर, बिकॉज वहाँ से नाइल रिवर जाती है. नाइल रिवर इज वेरी फर्टाइल, you all know that. And what is so funny that you are finding, Pihu? Tell us as well, otherwise I'll hijack your chats. ठीक है. Now, अब इसमें से कुछ लोग होते हैं जो सब्सक्राइब करते हैं. द फार्मर्स इन नाइल वैली आर नोन एज फेला. क्या बोलते हैं नाइल वैली के फार्मर्स को? वी कॉल देम फेला because the average size of the farm is small. The land of Nile Valley is intensively used. मतलब जबकि वहां पे एवरेज साइज स्मॉल है तब भी बहुत अच्छे से वो लोग अपनी वैली को यूज कर रहे हैं. दे आर डूइंग इट इन अ वेरी नाइस मैनर. समझ में आया कुछ भी? तेजस,
Yes, ma'am.
got it? ठीक है. So लाइफ इन राजस्थान समझ में आ गई होगी. आई थिंक अभी 5 कितना टाइम बचा है मीटिंग होने में? 2:10 पे होगी.
2 minutes. Ma'am, 2 minutes.
2 minutes in my clock as well. So won't be starting the next topic now. Hopefully कल start कर लेंगे. इतना पढ़ के रखना. Now these 2 minutes में you can take your time to complete your work. I have sent a work on both the groups, on 7B and C as well. Please check it and let me know if you have any doubts. Clear?